Hey everyone! Today's video will be filled with a bunch of DIY gift wrapping ideas along with tips and tricks on how to create by recreating with what you already have. Here is my favorite wrapping paper. Yep, it's packing paper. This $10 bundle comes with 220 sheets. Now that's a lot of gifts I could wrap. Because these are pre-cut, you can only wrap smaller gifts. I used one of these sheets to wrap both of these boxes. Right now they look plain and boring, but I'm going to share some very easy ways to dress them up. I'm going to use this black ink pad with this very beautiful rubber stamp that I found at Ben Franklin. Look at how pretty these details are. It's perfect to be stamped on a plain canvas like the packing paper. At first, I was going to just stamp one side, but it was too pretty not to stamp on all the other sides, so that's what I ended up doing. I love the stamping idea because you can purchase all different type of themed stamps instead of collecting 10 different rolls of wrapping paper, which we all know takes up a lot of our storage space. This way, you can just have a container of stamps and one bundle of packing paper. That way, you can be prepared for any occasion. Going back to this gift box, I decided to stick with a simple black satin ribbon to allow the gorgeous design to steal the show. For the second box, I used a different stamp and decided to tie it up with some twine. I really like the look of twine and I use it quite often. There are countless ways to gift wrap, some very extravagant and beautiful, but today my goal is to teach you practical ideas that anyone can pull off, no skills needed. Here is an example of pre-stamping your packing paper before wrapping. This is a lot easier, but the only downfall is that you won't really know where the designs will fall. In this case, I wish I had stamped them a little closer together, but it'll do. For this one, I decided to handwrite Merry Christmas directly onto the box, and then I'm going to do a single diagonal strap, tie it into a simple bow, and add a little accessory to it. I love to do single strap ribbons versus crisscross straps because not only is it more difficult for the receiver to open, it also uses more ribbon, and I'm all about saving what I can. For this style, you want to make sure you tape down the ribbon in the back to prevent it from sliding out of place. I found this piece at Walmart and I used the bottom of the ribbon of the bow to secure it on. Now I'm going to show you how to create a gift bag out of packing or wrapping paper. This is great for when you need to wrap an awkward or weird shaped gift. All you need to do is cut out your paper and keep in mind on the size of the item that you are putting inside of the bag. You need to make sure that your bag is going to be tall enough and wide enough. Once you have it cut out, flip the paper over so that the design is facing the table. You're going to fold over one side and then you will do the same to the other. I like to fold over a lip to give it a more clean look, like I'm doing right here, and it'll also give the spine of the bag a little bit more structure. Right now, we are going to work on the bottom of the bag. At this point, you need to make sure that you can distinguish the direction of the design. In my case, the candy canes are going in all directions, so it wasn't an issue for me. Fold up the end that you want the bottom of your bag to be. The size will depend on how big of a base you'll need for your gift. Then, just like origami, you're going to open the mouth and press on both sides down the center, creating two triangles parallel to one another. Next, you will fold up the two flat sides to meet up on the middle line and secure it with some tape. This technique is more ideal for lightweight items, though for heavier items you can always double up on the paper and tape to gain more support. Alright, now that my bottom is complete, I'm going to open it up and add my item, which is this round LOL toy, which is probably the most difficult shape to wrap. So this is perfect for that. Then to close it off, I'm going to fold down the top, and you can do this however you want. I folded in both corners and then down a couple of times. I punched a couple holes and tied it with a ribbon. I strung both ends of the ribbon into each hole and set it off to the side, because next I'm going to show you another creative way you can dress up your gift. I bought these Disney garlands at our dollar store here, and I thought they would be perfect to take apart and use them as gift tags, because who doesn't like a little touch of Disney? These worked out great because they already have holes punched in them from the string it was strung onto. So all I had to do is connect it to the ribbon I am using for the gift. These garlands provided a variety of colors and shapes, so I took apart another garland to show you another example. These bigger ones were my favorite. Funny story behind the stamp design that you see here. I was on a hunt for Christmas tree stamps, but I had no luck. So these are actually stamps of leaves. Would you guys say these could pass for Christmas trees? Let me know in the comments below if you think they pass. I think I'm now addicted to collecting stamps. Just like my gnomes, I'm on a hunt for more. The next few clips will be more fun and easy accessory ideas, followed up with a trick on how to double your boxes. Fun fact, I used to make dream catchers as a hobby, which is the reason why I have all these feathers. Let me know if you guys would be interested in learning how to make dream catchers. I would love to share that with you. For this next box, I actually used the string from a garland and just stuck a candy cane in it. I bought these mini pine cone ornaments and I'm gonna stick them onto this gift bag and use it as an accessory. Same for these flowers. I have some artificial flower that can be added onto any gift bag. Same with these mini round ornaments. I grabbed 2 of these and attached it to this little gift bag. I mean, the options are endless. I thought that anything mini I found would be perfect for this idea. So right now is the time to stock up on all your mini items that are Christmas themed. All right. For this last portion of this video, I'm going to show you how to double up your boxes. So using one side of the box, you're going to fold down each side to the lip on the opposite end. Then you're going to cut onto the creases that you just created, which will be the spine of your new box. So when you open it up and close it back, you'll now have a mini box. So from one bigger one, you now have 2 little ones. And that's a wrap. No pun intended. I hope you enjoyed this video, and even more so, I hope I was able to inspire and help you with ideas for this holiday season. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.